Hey there, welcome to Villa Veneto. Today we'll be touring the 1,253 square foot Roma townhouse floor plan. Let's go take a look. As soon as you walk in, you will see the kitchen area. Comes with standard appliances. Then we'll make our way onto our very spacious living room with your dining room space. Built-in fireplace. The Roma floor plan comes with your own very nice backyard space. We have a half bathroom here. Perfect for guests. We'll make our way up the stairs. To our first bedroom. Which comes with its own bathroom and a very nice walk-in closet. Make our way down the hall. This unit comes with washer dryer, convenience of your own home. Second bedroom, which also comes with its own bathroom. And there you have it. That was our 1,253 square feet Roma floor plan townhouse. If you have any questions or you are interested in renting, please see the details in the description below. Otherwise, thank you for touring Villa Veneto. We hope you have a wonderful day.